click the start recording the screen. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. It is. I will to try to uh, explain about my topic. I will.
Okay. I'm listening.
Okay. I will to try. Okay. Where I can hit
So you're
this.
right? Yeah.
Okay. Pardon me, Buari.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Good. Yeah. Uh, in this session, I will explain about deep learning convolution neural network.
Okay.
Uh, the we know the CNN. CNN is convolution neural network. It is very uh, useful for image classification and much more. Okay,
Okay.
next. In the CNN, it is axis of component. We know it is the neural network, or in another material, it can say as dense neural network. The dense
Okay.
neural network is component in the CNN where the input is linear, and in the middle composite one or more layer, where the middle layer it can say as hidden layer 1, hidden layer 2,
Yeah,
and next. So the output is can single neuron or more than one, that symbolize as classification, like that. Uh, so in
the
the
out.
CNN, in
Sorry,
this,
sorry. Can you come again for the output layer?
pardon me, Buddy.
The output layer. The output layer.
Uh, uh,
You were
can
saying
you,
something about the output.
pardon me?
You were saying something about the output layer. Output layer. The last one.
Yeah, the output can one neuron and more than one to classify the input. If the input is more than one label, one class, more than one class, two class, three class, for example. So we need to more neuron to classify, can predict
Yeah.
like that. Okay,
Yes.
I will
Yeah. Yeah.
try next. Nah, before we learn more deeply, we need to know about the LCD or LED. LCD or LED, it's composed by pixel. We know that the every pixel is composed by three LED. You can see in the screen. The
RGB.
Yes, in the LED is composed by three different color: blue, red, and green. If three color can like together, it can be one color. It is white color, like that. It is the, for
Yeah.
example, if we zoom from screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, we will talk about the framework. So, if we programming the deep learning, uh, we didn't program from scratch. We use the framework that famously in this art. We know there is two framework that very famous. For first is TensorFlow, and then in the two is
Python.
PyTorch. Yeah,
So
it
which
is
one are you using? Such as or the TensorFlow?
okay.
Which one are you familiar with? Is it the TensorFlow or the PyTorch?
Oh yeah, I am familiar too with the PyTorch.
Okay, Tensor.
Yeah. Please wait. My friend call me. Okay. I will next the material. Okay.
Okay.
Nah, before we have been talked about the framework. So in this session, we need hardware. We need hardware to execute the deep learning special
Exactly.
hardware. Yeah. In this we are using the GPU NVIDIA. It is can improve the speed of the process training and the process execution on deep learning.
Yeah.
Very clear, very clear. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The whole CNN is like this image, where the process the input image we implement the process convolution to get the fitur-fitur, then we implement the max pooling to get the more uh, for make smell image, being the smell image. Then we implement convolution again, then max pooling, then the output, the image being more smaller than before. After that, the output of the final of mass pooling, we need to flatten it, where the process of flatten it is make the input of square image being the linear image, linear array, like a linear array. Okay, so the linear data that we know as feature vector, we fit into the neural network. We know the neural network is fully connected.
Yeah,
The
sure.
process is straightforward now. So we can distinguish the input is cat or dog or ani, like that. Nah, this is the example of um, process of classification. For example, if the input is car image, then we implement convolution, ReLU, then next one, and it is axis of pooling layer. It is the example of result convolution. Every convolution they produce the different image, and also ReLU, and
Go
also
and bring me 200. I might play 100 naira now.
uh, sorry, Bori.
Okay, I'm listening.
Oh, okay. You understand? Okay. Thank you. Okay. It is the sample of convolution. The convolution is process multiplication with the kernel filter. It is, for example, the dimension of kernel is 3 multiply of 3, where the number is a random number, like that. The random number is symbolized as wake or W.
Hello, come again.
Okay, hello.
Come again.
Pardon me, Bu Ari.
I said you should come again. You're talking about the what's it called, the dimensions.
Dimension, yeah. What happened with dimension?
Yeah. Oh, okay.
The dimension kernel is it is free, ya, to initialize. Some things 3 multiply 3, you can initialize more than 3 multiply 3, and so on. Okay, it is the X. Oh, sorry. It is the example of the process of multiplication with kernel in the process of convolution. The multiplication with kernel, it can produce the just one pixel image, but you can see the detail of the image in next slide. It's the example of convolution. The process convolution is multiplication from image with kernel and produce the one single pixel of image, like that.
Yeah.
Okay, I will next. It is same as before. It is the detail of multiplication of Emacs with kernel. I will skip this session. It is talked about the ReLU function activation, where the ReLU or rectified linear unit. It is talked about the output, where the output will be every output will be if not zero or a positive number. The negative number will be pinning to zero. It is an example of the max pooling layer. The max pooling layer is similar to with convolution layer, where the Emacs multiply with the kernel, where the sliding window can more than 2 pixel. The output is being single Emacs. So the output uh, because the sliding window is very far, it is 2 pixel, so the output uh, dimension of output Emacs being more smaller than input Emacs, like that. Uh, nah, it is the detail of the theory of max pooling layer. The output you can see in this Emacs, it is just a single Emacs, but in the practice, uh,
Yeah.
it can more than one Emacs. It can pooling layer output the pooling layer can produce more pooling Emacs, more Emacs, that it is seems very dense. Okay, for example, Emacs CNN we need to supervise the CNN using the dataset. For example, dataset that very famous, it is the MNEST, where the dataset is contain the handwriting of number from 0 until 9. It is the for example of architecture Lenet 5 from for classification the image of from MNEST dataset. The output just 1 multiply 1 multiply 10, and that symbolizes as the 10 of class. It is example of the sample program deep learning. You are very familiar, Buari, about this program. Uh, Hello, Buari. You can hear me? Oh, I cannot hear your voice. Okay, I will next. Yeah. Another dataset we know the another famous dataset is Shifarten. The Shifarten is contain the many picture where the in the dataset is contain many picture in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, whereas it is the existent image difference, not only animal and also the uh, car, airplane, and more. It is the data of accuracy using the existence of model deep learning. The another of implementation of CNN, it can be used for image segmentation, where the in the image segmentation it is uh, still still detailed to the another subtopic. Okay, there is in this sample we crop from paper. There is access of different progress classification. We know it is in IMAX I, it is called IMAX classification. In IMAX B, it's called as the task for object detection. It is where can knowing the where the bottle, where the cup, where the cup. It is known as semantic segmentation and so on. Uh, it is for this session. It is talked about the implement another implementation about CNN. It is related with my thesis 1 year ago. Where the CNN can implemented as uh, generative adversarial network for super resolution. What is super resolution? Where the input image is blur, then it can be reconstructed being the clear image, where the output of clear image it is similar with the ground truth, like that. It is the result of my thesis about super resolution gun, where the input image is blur, then after we fit into the super resolution gun where consisted with CNN, the output can being the clear image similar with the image reference, like that. In another research about generative adversarial network, it can make the fact it can use it to generate the different image, where the this image or this image are not exist in the never exist in this real life. It is this example of uh, image that produced from image super resolution. Very interested, like.
Yeah, very interesting.
Yeah, very interesting. For next implementation of CNN, it can be used for uh, producing the artistic image. We can produce the artistic image, where this image is produced from the architecture of generative adversarial network. The implementation of CNN on GAN or generative adversarial network, it also can use it for the image segmentation, and then produce the new image with the input image is just abstract, then the output can be real. Uh, the implementation CNN is also can give the color, where the input image is black and white, then the output being the full color. Or we can design using CNN, where the input is just a scratch image, just handwritten image, then the output can be real, and so on. It is an example of the existed of architecture uh, that very famous before. Okay, Buari, I think for micro teaching this session is enough. Uh, I am very thankful you have been join in to help my task, to fulfill my task.
Um, you're welcome, Julian too.
Okay.
Sorry, are you having a seminar anytime soon?
Okay. Can you say again?
I said, are you having a proposal anytime soon anywhere?
Okay. Of course, of course.
AFCO.
Buari, can you turn on your camera? I want to uh, for evidence. I want to save this moment for evidence.
Yeah, give me 5 minutes. I'm trying to work on it now because I'm on transit now.
Oh,
Just listening.
okay, no problem.
In the next 5 minutes, I'll change my camera to normal default.
Okay, maybe next time we can meet and running together. Okay.
Yeah, sure. I think I would even like that me myself. I think we need to have another what's it called? Another prep of this type. Maybe next week or something like that.
Oh,
Do you have a do you take any of these Coursera courses at any of the deep learning course at Coursera?
I am not uploaded this before. I have not yet uploaded this before. In the Coursera. I don't have the credit card, so I cannot make in Coursera.
I don't understand.
Yes.
I don't understand. Come again, come again.
Pardon me.
Said you did any course at Coursera?
Uh, this no, it is I get this material from Google, just searching, not in Coursera.
But you can have this same course at Coursera for free without certificate.
Or maybe yeah. Uh, you say it is better to upload in Coursera like that.
Yeah, you can get it for free at Coursera. But you won't have certificate, you just only learn it.
Oh, I cannot hear your voice clearly because your voice full of noise.
Okay, let's talk about let's chat on WhatsApp.
Okay, maybe in next meetup, uh, more clearly to text the message.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. Thank you, Buhari, for your time. I am very happy you have been joined with us. I think it is the time is enough. You must need you maybe need to rest too.
Yeah,
So
sure.
yeah, see you next time. Assalamualaikum.
You're welcome. Wa alaikum assalam.
Uh,
Thank you very much.
thank you. I will end this meetup.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, good afternoon.